This is a fit for a 2009 through 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5-foot, 5.5-inch bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the LEITNER ACS truck rack. This is a off-road capable truck rack with 250 pounds off-road carrying capacity, 500-pound on-road capacity, and 1,000-pound static load capacity. The crossbars are 60 inches in length. It is the quad channel crossbar, which allows for a wide range of unique accessories. Turn knobs allow for that crossbar spacing to be adjusted anywhere from 8 inches from front to rear to 52 inches front to rear. Side rail channels allow for attachment of additional accessories connected to the top and bottom rail channels. Construction is high quality military grade aluminum alloy. Drilling is required to maintain lateral stiffness. 2 holes in this rear pillar, as well as 2 support holes at the front. The holes are drilled, riv nut inserted, making it easy to remove. This product and the full line of LEITNER products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and promotions.